Welcome to Newsbeats. I am Annie. That's our latest update. Tata Motors stock, which had been cruising at 52-week high, took a beating on July 6 following an unexpected profit warning issued by the company. Volumes at Jaguar Land Rover could come under a cloud for the rest of the current quarter due to supply shortage of semiconductors, which has only become worse. Tata Motors has already lost 30,000 units in the June quarter, only preceded by a loss of 7,000 units in the March quarter. Tata Motors issued a profit warning for the entire first half of the current financial year, owning the global shortage in semiconductors that could severely impact Jaguar Land Rover. Investors were spooked with the unexpected outlook, sending the Tata Motors stock hit the lower circuit today before closing 8.41% down on the BSE compared to June 5th. Investors were spooked with the unexpected outlook, sending the Tata Motors stock hit the lower circuit today before closing 8.41% down on the BSE compared to June 5th. The warning only amplified the cautionary note JLR issued in June, which stated the chip shortage which impacted the April-June quarter will spill over to the July-September quarter as well. This outlook went against the earlier guidance given by Tata Motors about improvement in availability of the chip from O2 onwards. Tata Motors warned that the chip shortage could result in Jaguar Land Rover reporting 50% lower wholesale volumes by the end of O2 than planned otherwise. To make it worse, both the British luxury brands expect some level of shortage to continue through to the end of the year and beyond. These shortages, which are beyond the control of the company, will result in a cash outflow of about GBP 1 billion with a negative EBIT margin for O2. During QI, JLR lost 30,000 units to the chip shortage on a wholesale of nearly 84,500 units. The company did not say how much sales is expected in O2. Unlike JLR, at the standalone level, Tata Motors' own production has not been impacted so far due to the chip shortages. But the passenger vehicle division of the company generates minuscule revenue compared to JLR, which has operation in the US, UK, Europe, China and other international markets. More than 80% of the Tata Motors revenue comes from JLR. Moreover, JLR recently launched the new Land Rover Defender and refreshed Jaguar E-Pace. JLR presently has about 110,000 global retail orders, the highest in its history, representing 3 months of sales cover with 5 months in Europe and 4 months in the UK. The chip shortages will only stretch the waiting period of JLR vehicles, which has hit 12 months. Production at various factories owned by Mercedes-Benz, Audi and BMW, the 3 rivals of JLR, has been impacted since the last 3 months due to the shortage of chips, costing them production loss. BMW on July 2nd said that the shortage, which has led to a loss of 30,000 units so far this year, will lead to further lost production later in the year. JLR today stated that the new capacity of semiconductors will come on stream only in the next 12 to 18 months, as investment for upping production has been made only recently. Global chip supplier Bosch has also warned of continued shortage of semiconductors throughout the financial year.